My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hi everyone, Glama here. Welcome back, and today we are going to be playing with Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry palette. Ooh. And this is the look that I came up with today. This is today's eye look of the day, and I thought I would kind of concentrate more on the color Bloom, the pink color, since I'm wearing this pink, I guess you could call it a waffle shirt. I call it a long john shirt because it's made out of the same material as long johns are made out of. So yeah, if you want to hang out with me and see exactly how I got this look, then you know what to do. Just sit tight and I will be right back. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to go ahead and use this Maybelline 24-Hour Tattoo in the color Inked and Pink, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I've already put primer on my lids, so they're already nice and prepped. Okay, and now I'm going to use the fluffy side of the brush that came in the palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Bloom, and I'm just going to tap into it very gently and kind of build up the color slowly. So today I'm going to the orthopedic specialist again today, so I don't want to do too crazy of a look, so I'm planning on a very wearable look. I hope it ends up a very wearable look. With me, you never know, it always evolves. So you can see my hand is still shaking because I'm still in pain, so we'll see what the ortho guy says. And I hope it's not going to result in surgery, because I would not like that. I'm going to also bring that color in a little bit to the inner corner of my lid. And I think with the other side of the brush, I'm going to dab into Bloom and carry it down to the bottom area. Okay, and now with the color Birch, I'm going to use the fluffy side of the brush, and I'm going to put that a little bit lower in the transition area and see what this looks like. And I'm concentrating it mostly on the transition area crease line right here and on the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to also drag that down to my lower lash line. Okay, and now with the other shorter end of the brush, I am going to go into Twig And see if that's a little darker, and I'm going to kind of press that into the crease area. And with the fluffy side of the brush, I'm going to clean it off, and with no product on it, I'm going to blend that in. And I'm going to also carry that color down to my lower lash line as well. Just a wee bit, build up that color a little bit down there. Now I'm going to take a little bit of, let me see, rose quartz. Actually, first I'm going to take a little bit of steampunk. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm going to wet a flat brush, and I'm just going to barely tap into steampunk and just very lightly place that here. Okay, and now I am going to wipe that brush off, and I am going to wet it again, and I'm going to take rose quartz and put it on the inner third and carry it over to where I just put steampunk. And now that I have it there, I'm concentrating it on the inner corner of the eye and then kind of dragging it over steampunk. I want gold to be the underlying color and rose quartz to kind of be the one that stands out more. Pretty. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. It's a lot more pigmented than what it looks like on camera. So now I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia brush, the short end, and I'm going to put rose quartz down here on the inner corner. Like so. And then I'm going to take steampunk and put it on the outer area here. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the color Dystopian with the short end of the brush, and I'm going to kind of contour the lid a little bit, and I'm going to kind of stamp it out here in the corner and give the lid a little bit more dimension. I'm going to take a little bit of that on that same brush and put it on the lower lid, a little lower than the gold, than the steampunk. Okay, and now I'm just going to take the fluffy end and I'm just going to blend that out a little bit. Okay, and now with the color, I think it's Noir, N-O-I-R, I'm going to take a small, tiny angled brush like this, and I'm going to stamp that on my lid really close to the lash line and use this as eyeliner. I love it when palettes put in a black because I love using that as eyeliner because it makes it so easy. And I think I'm going to wet the brush so that I don't get fallout. So I got a little bit on my face. I don't know if I want to carry it all the way into the inner corner or not. I think I will. So how's that? I'm going to also put it on the outer corner over here on the bottom lash line, just on the very end, just to kind of meet with what's going on the top. I think that's all I'll do. Okay, so now I'm going to put some black pencil in my waterline, and I'm also going to tightline with it. And then I will put some mascara on and false eyelashes, and yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go put some mascara on, and I will put some false eyelashes on, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've got the mascara, the false eyelashes on, and now I'm going to take the color Pearl on this little brush right here, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners, the inner tear duct area. Okay, and I'm also going to take a teeny bit of that and put it on the under the brows. Just a touch. Okay, I'm going to blend that in with the fluffy side of the Anastasia brush. Okay, so I think we are done. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out and put my hair down, maybe, I don't know, so I can say goodbye to you guys. What do you think? Okay, so here's a close-up of the eyes. Alright, I'm going to go zoom out and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray and set this all in. Oof. I love how that smells and feels. Okay, I'm going to zoom out so that I can say goodbye to you guys. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. What do you think? I like it. It's not as bold as I usually do, which is a good thing because I have that ortho specialist appointment that I have to go to in about an hour and a half or so. So I like this look, and maybe next time I'll try a more brown grayish look. But I really like this. Since I was wearing a pink top, I thought I would concentrate on the color Bloom, make that the star of the show. So yes, what do you guys think of this palette? I think it's gorgeous. Not only the packaging, but I think just like Anastasia's other palettes, she did a superb job with the colors, with the pigmentation, with just the blendability and everything. I really, really love this palette. Yay! So let me know if you have this palette, and if so, what was the main color in your look of the day? So alrighty guys, don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye! Mwah. Besitos!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.